Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to the vlog. Today we are on our way to San Antonio to do a little, just a little mini vacay. So my mom and I, annual Christmas. We love San Antonio Christmas because the lights are so pretty. So I'm editing this video right now. I had to interrupt really quickly just to make sure you know if you hear me mention Christmas or if you, caught on to the fact that it's literally December in these clips. That's because I wasn't really posting on my channel then, but I am now, and I wanted to share this old vlog with you, so I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so we're on our way to San Antonio. I don't know, you think we're like 45 minutes out? I'm just guessing.
We haven't even hit San.
Are you kidding me? So the dogs are in the back. They have these little special dog traveler, I don't even know. So I don't know if you can see, but Roxy's little head is right there. There she is. And then Sadie is in here somewhere. Where is she? Oh, she's just chilling. But yeah, we are really looking forward to this. So we got ready this morning, packed all our little things up. We made some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for the ride. Got my Topo Chico. But I thought I would take y'all along for our little mini Christmas getaway. And yeah. If you're new here, be sure to head on down below, hit that subscribe button if you want, turn on post notifications, and let's go. So we're in San Antonio. I'm on map duty. We're getting closer. It looks like we're about like 14 minutes out, so we'll be there soon. Hello, we are at the hotel now. It's been about half an hour because we had to check in, take the dogs out, unload, the usual. But now we're in our suite and I'm really excited. We're unpacking, getting the whole setup. So I thought I'd give you a little room tour of our hotel. This is like kind of our favorite, so yeah. Starting, oh hi Sadie. Hello. Hello. Okay, so starting at the front, there's like this little hallway. This door on the left goes to the bathroom, and then we come into this nice little living room area. It's got a TV. We stayed in one of these rooms over the summer, and I would like sit and do my homework and watch TV. It was chill. And there's a little desk where we end up just putting some stuff. We've been Lysoling or Cloroxing the place down. I turned 21 recently, so they left out some wine for us, which is really sweet. But yeah, here's our little room. Then when we come in here, the dogs have a little setup. There's Roxy. What are the plasticky things we put on it? We brought like special pillowcases because someone told us to do that. And then we got the bathroom. Yeah. Look how cute they are. Hi, Roxy. Look at how big the couch looks compared to her. Sadie. We're about to go hit the Riverwalk, probably walk around, may or may not do dinner. I mean, at some point we gotta eat. I just don't know what the plan is, but yeah, I'm excited to go out. I'm excited to see the lights. I can't tell what the weather's gonna do. You excited? Are you ready?
Oh my goodness. Look how much food that is. And so much nachos. I'm so excited. Okay, we did some damage. We ate most of it.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of our trip. This is our first and like only full day here in San Antonio. So we don't really have real plans, but the plan right now is I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go walk by the Alamo and walk around. Things are different with COVID, but we're just kind of trying to like get out and see the sights. So I'm about to put on my little sunscreeny stuff and do a little bit of light makeup. I'm excited for my outfit of the day, so I'll show you that look in a minute. But a recap of last night. We went, I think I showed we got dinner, but after that we just kind of wandered around. I saw the lights, which are beautiful there. Then we came back and really just watched TV in the room. Pretty chill night, but yeah. My makeup is done, and I'll go show you my outfit of the day in a full-length mirror in the next room. Hello. So outfit of the day, I just got this sweater new at Ross. I liked it for the holidays because it's a lot. I think it's really fun. And I'm wearing these paper bag pants. You might have seen them in my little H&M haul. They're nice, honestly, because I just wanted some loose pants. And then I'm wearing some Adidas. I also got this bag. I'm obsessed with it. I can link the designer. I think it's really cute. I found it at TJ Maxx, and I'm just I'm ready for a good time. So Alamo, fun, wandering around, getting outside. Let's do it. Mom, show us your outfit of the day. Where's everything from?
I have no. Oh, Walmart.
It's really cute. I love that shirt. Yes.
Not sure.
Got your little loafers, yeah. We've been lint rolling ourselves because the black with the dogs, you got a lint roll.
Hair by Karen.
Yeah, it is. We are on our way now. I'm going out the elevator. Woo. But yeah, now the adventure begins. We're at the Alamo now. We're going from the Alamo down to the Riverwalk now, and I don't know, we're gonna get lunch later and we're just wandering around. So we're walking through the Hyatt Regency. We like to cut through here, but it's also so pretty, so I wanted to show you what it looks like. We're at Republic of Texas right now, so we wanted to do like American. So we ordered chips and salsa, but we're gonna split a bacon cheeseburger. So it's really fun. Look at these little Texas little roofs over us. So we're outside. I was reaching for my camera and I just realized there's a duck right here, right next to me. Oh, beautiful, baby. Most important part of every meal, the chips and salsa. We're splitting a bacon cheeseburger. Look how good that looks. Yum. So we're at the Five and Dime, which is one of our little favorite stores here. It's got always like the best Texas things and San Antonio things. Mom's looking for a shirt. She wants a good San Antonio shirt. I'm just gonna look around and see what we see. Hello guys, we are back at our hotel. I think you saw today. We hit the Alamo, we went to H&M. I got a few things. Actually, H&M had a lot on sale. So I got, I guess between the two of us, we got 6 different necklaces and I think we paid $6.50. $6 because they were like $1, $2, $3, $4. And so I also had with the app, I had like a little coupon for $5 off. So we did H&M and then we went to the Five and Dime and got some little t-shirts. And so I was gonna try mine on. I'm excited because I got a long sleeve comfort color shirt. So I'll show you what that looks like. Oh my goodness. Okay, here it is. This is a bad angle, but so it says San Antonio. This is in the little sale bucket. You can tell we're balling on a budget, but is this the, no. On this side, there's just this random thing, and so we'll probably peel that off, but. Hello, it is 7 o'clock and we are back in our room. So like 5 o'clock we did like a little happy hour. I don't know. I got to have my first real drink as a 21-year-old like in public We went to the hotel bar. We were the only ones there, which was honestly the only way I would have wanted to do it this year. But yeah, it was my first time ordering a drink, didn't know what to do. But for dinner, we grabbed a sandwich from Which Wich that we're splitting. So we're gonna eat a French dip sandwich, and then we stopped by Taco Bell because we had to get some Cinnabon Delight thingies. I love those so much. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of my little sweater cute outfit, put on something comfy, and then we're gonna do dinner. Roxy! Hello. Here are our sandwiches. We're gonna watch some TV. We got the dogs. Yeah. Hello, it is day 3, which means we are heading out. I'm wearing that shirt I showed you yesterday, my new San Antonio shirt, and I'm kind of crusty, so I've got my hat on, but Mom's loading up the cart. But yeah, we basically packed everything up, so we're about to say goodbye to the hotel. We saw that there's a big storm coming in, so we're kind of trying to get out. But yeah, I am so glad I got to take you along for this trip. This is not a normal travel vlog because we're not traveling normally. We just kind of wanted a little getaway in a safe way, and it's been really special. In the car now, we're on the road and we're saying goodbye to San Antonio. We're driving out. But yeah, we'll be home in like an hour and a half or so. Thanks for coming along in this weekend. I want to say it's been fun. It's been fun.
Goodbye, San Antonio.
If y'all enjoyed this, be sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I'll see you next time.